Geometric woodworking represents a unique fusion of artistry and craftsmanship, bringing stunning patterns and visual intrigue to home decor. This design approach captivates the eye with its clean lines, sharp angles, and harmonious shapes, creating an aesthetic appeal that resonates with modern sensibilities. As homeowners increasingly seek to personalize their spaces, geometric woodworking has emerged as a popular choice, offering both beauty and a sense of sophistication that elevates interior design. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of geometric woodworking by creating stunning patterns for home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. At the heart of geometric woodworking lies the exploration of shapes and patterns, where the interplay of angles and symmetry creates mesmerizing designs. This style draws inspiration from various artistic movements, including modernism and minimalism, which emphasize simplicity and functionality. The elegance of geometric forms allows for a wide range of applications in home decor, from furniture and wall art to cabinetry and decorative accents. Each piece tells a story, reflecting the artisan's vision and skill while contributing to the overall aesthetic of the space. One of the most compelling aspects of geometric woodworking is its versatility. The patterns created can range from bold and striking to subtle and intricate, allowing homeowners to express their personal style in myriad ways. For instance, a coffee table featuring a geometric design can serve as a central focal point in a living room, drawing attention and sparking conversation. The ability to customize shapes and configurations means that each piece can be tailored to fit seamlessly within the existing decor, enhancing the overall harmony of the space. The beauty of geometric woodworking is further enhanced by the natural qualities of wood itself. Different species of wood exhibit unique grain patterns, colors, and textures, all of which contribute to the final aesthetic. When combined with geometric designs, these natural characteristics create a dynamic visual experience. For example, the contrasting grains of oak and walnut can be used to form intricate patterns that highlight the craftsmanship involved in the piece. This interplay between the organic and the geometric generates a sense of depth and richness that draws the eye and invites closer inspection. Moreover, the process of creating geometric patterns in woodworking requires a high level of precision and skill. Artisans often employ advanced techniques such as laser cutting, intricate joinery, and meticulous handwork to achieve the desired results. This dedication to craftsmanship not only elevates the quality of the finished product but also adds an element of authenticity. Each piece becomes a testament to the artisan's expertise, embodying both the beauty of the design and the integrity of the craftsmanship behind it. Geometric woodworking also offers a sense of modernity that resonates with contemporary design trends. As homeowners move away from traditional styles, the clean lines and minimalist aesthetics of geometric patterns provide a refreshing alternative. This modern appeal is particularly evident in open-concept spaces, where the integration of geometric elements can help define different areas while maintaining a cohesive look. For instance, a geometric wall panel can serve as a striking backdrop in a dining area, adding visual interest without overwhelming the space. In addition to its aesthetic qualities, geometric woodworking can also enhance the functionality of home decor. Many geometric designs are inherently modular, allowing for versatile applications that adapt to various needs. Furniture pieces, such as modular shelving units or coffee tables, can be reconfigured to suit changing lifestyles, making them both beautiful and practical. This adaptability aligns with the increasing demand for multifunctional furniture in modern homes, where space is often limited and efficiency is key. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furthermore, the emotional connection that geometric woodworking fosters cannot be overlooked. The beauty of these designs has a transformative effect on living spaces, instilling a sense of tranquility and inspiration. The symmetry and balance inherent in geometric patterns resonate with our innate desire for order and harmony, creating an environment that feels both inviting and uplifting. Whether it's a geometric wall art piece that serves as a statement or a delicately crafted wooden lamp with geometric elements, these designs enrich the ambience of a home, contributing to a sense of well-being. As the trend towards sustainable living continues to grow, geometric woodworking aligns with eco-friendly practices. Many artisans prioritize using sustainably sourced wood, ensuring that their creations not only beautify homes, but also contribute to environmental stewardship. This commitment to sustainability enhances the appeal of geometric designs, as homeowners increasingly seek products that reflect their values. Choosing handcrafted wooden pieces that embody both beauty and responsibility fosters a deeper connection between the consumer and the artisan, creating a narrative that resonates with modern sensibilities. The integration of technology in geometric woodworking has also opened new avenues for creativity and innovation. Advancements in design software and CNC, computer numerical control, machinery allow artisans to explore complex geometric patterns that may have been challenging to achieve by hand. This technological integration not only enhances the precision of the designs, but also enables the creation of intricate patterns that captivate the imagination. The combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology results in pieces that are not only visually stunning but also well executed, ensuring durability and longevity. Moreover, the appeal of geometric woodworking extends beyond individual pieces to encompass entire collections. Designers often create cohesive sets of furniture or decor items that share geometric themes, allowing homeowners to curate spaces that reflect their personal style. This holistic approach to design reinforces the beauty and integrity of geometric woodworking, as each piece works in harmony with the others to create a unified aesthetic. Whether it's a dining set adorned with geometric patterns or a series of wall-mounted shelves featuring complementary shapes, these collections can transform a home into a cohesive work of art. As geometric woodworking continues to gain popularity, its impact on home decor is undeniable. The aesthetic appeal of geometric patterns, combined with the beauty and integrity of craftsmanship, creates a powerful statement in modern interiors. Homeowners are drawn to the unique designs that allow for personal expression while enhancing the functionality of their spaces. In a world where individuality and sustainability are increasingly valued, geometric woodworking stands out as a testament to the harmonious blend of art and practicality. In the aesthetic appeal and beauty integrity of geometric woodworking create a captivating narrative within the realm of home decor. The interplay of shapes, patterns, and the natural qualities of wood results in stunning designs that resonate with contemporary sensibilities. As artisans continue to push the boundaries of creativity and craftsmanship, the allure of geometric woodworking will undoubtedly inspire future generations to embrace the beauty of form and function in their living spaces. Ultimately, these designs not only enhance the visual landscape of homes, but also foster a deeper appreciation for the artistry and skill that goes into creating truly remarkable pieces. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked geometric woodworking by creating stunning patterns for home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.